Hey, you guys, look at the camera and say Happy 4th of July. Whoa, what's that?
It's nothing but a firework. Duh. Duh.
Are you done? You ready to go? Ready to get out?
Yeah, Connor's inside.
Connor's going night-night.
Ooh, and Jesse's gonna get all wet.
Are you gonna marry Connor?
Chelsea, are you going to marry baby Connor?
Get married?
Yeah, I don't know. He was sitting on my mommy's lap. I'm a little upset right now.
Solution right now. When you ask her though, I can ask her, like, are you going to marry him? She'll say no, no, so are you going to marry baby Connor? Yes. Yeah, but I just used them today, so I got new dibs.
Connor, this little girl at this softball field just grabbed his face and just started looking out with him.
She drives there. It's like a car, like a little car you drive. That was loud. You know what that was?
What is that noise?
Those smoke bombs change colors?
Some of them are dual.
Mitchell, spell Mitchell.
H-E-L-L. But you can just put Mitch.
Oh, I wanted to do that.
She just likes to stomp on him.
Yeah.
We wish we would have done it with one girl now, but oh well.
You are strong, Savannah.
You guys, you got to
No.
everything.
Sarah, back up, honey.
Hurry.
You're taking more than one.
Yeah, she's sweet. She's a good aunt.
Please.
Hey, watch out. Watch out, guys. Get back.
Back up, everybody.
Back up.
It's not going to blow up.
You're supposed to change color.
Back up, Ty. That's a lot of smoke.
Purple.
Sweet. That is so cool.
Purple haze.
You guys! Ah, big giant monster!
Wow. That
Big
is
giant
sweet. Good
monster!
job, Corey.
Walk on me!
Blue. That's right. That's blue.
Did you all colors? Mitchell, it's not going to make a sound, baby. It's okay.
No, I can hear you.
No, it's not done yet. Get back.
Sarah.
Now what color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow and blue.
Man, that's a lot of smoke coming out of there. That is sweet.
Guys, run! There's pee coming out of some place! Ooh, yummy! There's pee! Let's go drink pee! Let's go drink!
Sarah, it's not done. Get away from it.
What do you think about these? Think she'd like these?
Jumpers?
You have to do them up there in the street.
Maybe we should go
Hey, you guys don't mind if I blow up your car, do you? You got insurance, right?
No, wait. Have Corey go home and get the truck. You can total the truck. I'm gonna see what.
Gap.
Yeah.
He said
Oh
gap.
darn it, Mom. It is. Yeah.
Dude, he said gap.
I think those are Corey's, baby.